If you're looking for a blues mobile, and we got one here for you, this pre-owned 2020 Dodge Charger RT is ready to rock and roll. Front valence, 5.7 liter Hemi, 8-speed automatic transmission, 20-inch black noise wheels, wrapped in Sure Drive sport tires. Hemi badging, you know it. We've got our sunroof, moonroof. We've got premium cloth cup holders, console auto shift, 12-volt power connectivity, climate control, and our radio controls for our Uconnect, and also leather wrapped steering wheel with paddle shift. We've got our speedometer, our TAC, and digital driver information station, and billeted foot pedals there. And the back 3 across, which means total seating of 5, more premium cloth connectivity, and rear air. Big old whale tail spoiler is on the trunk. Plenty of room for all of our gear for at home, on the track, whether it's a daily driver or a weekend car. With the twin exhaust, we've got this pre-owned 2020 Dodge Charger RT right here at Payne Pre Owned McColl on the corner of McCall Road and Business 83 in McAllen, Texas. I'm Chris Marshall of the Payne Street Team, brought to you by PayneAutoGroup.com, where we have what you want. Lo que tu quieres, regardless.